فقال السلام عليك يا فاطمة فقلت وعليك السلام قال إني أجد في بدني ضعفا فقلت له أعيذك بالله يا أبتاه من الضعف فقال يا فاطمة ائتيني بالكساء اليماني فغطيني به فأتيته بالكساء اليماني فغطيته به وصرت أنظر إليه وإذا وجهه يتلألأ كأنه البدر في ليلة تمامه وكماله فما كانت إلا ساعة وإذا بولدي الحسن قد أقبل وقال السلام عليك يا
In our family, there's a belief that when you cook anything in your new home, it should be sweet rather than anything spicy or savory. So that's why I'm gonna make kheer today, and we're here at Dunn store to get some ingredients. And yeah, let's go. I'm not sure how's the light right here, but I'm loving the background. Let's start unboxing. I don't even remember what I ordered, so it's going to be as much a surprise as it is for you. This is from our place. You guys, these are literally my dream pot and pans. Since I saw Selena Gomez using these in her show, I just knew I have to get them. This color is actually a limited edition, so I am so happy I got my hands on them. Let's see how it's going to look on our range. It's definitely vibing. To next delivery, and this is from Zara Home. That's actually a box stand. My cutlery set, this is how it looks. I've got a whole set, some desserts, spoon and forks. So we're finally about to make kheer. It's kind of emotional actually because there's this tradition in our family where new bride is supposed to make something sweet. I didn't know how to cook and honestly I wasn't interested, so I just didn't. Months later I made cookie or brownie. I don't even remember exactly what was that, but I made cookies I think with my husband. Well, he made them. I just stood around. My mother-in-law being so sweet considered that my first sweet. Now standing here in my own kitchen, I just keep thinking I really wish she could taste this one. Already made kheer and now we're going for the grocery. We're starting from the scratch, so we're so excited to restock our fridge and our pantry. I don't know, I am so tired right now. I was tired yesterday and I'm still tired. I got up today at 7 a.m. and it's not that I didn't sleep well. I had a really good sleep. But for that, I've decided to make chicken roast for the dinner. But now, because I'm so tired, I think I'm gonna let my husband to cook something for me.
Gentle with the butter.